wants to be a mother and is still enchanted by the fantasy of it all. You know what I mean? Who wants the fairy tale? You understand? Who's still enchanted by that? Not someone who's disillusioned. You know what I mean? Who's been through stuff, who's been disappointed to the point where they've got zero expectations of life anymore. So I don't want to pour into a cup with a hole in it.
Honestly, just say you're a fragile little bitch and move on. Let's call it what it is. You're a bottom tier loser who's absolutely terrified of a woman with a backbone. You're looking for a fucking victim because you know a grown-up woman with actual standards would laugh in your pathetic, insecure face. And calling a woman with life experience a cup with a hole in it is just a self-own showing you're so goddamn empty yourself that you need a girl with zero life experience just to feel like a man. You're so scared that if you pour your shallow toxic bullshit into a woman who actually knows her worth, she will see right through you. So you'd rather find someone too inexperienced to notice you're empty-handed anyway. The reason you want someone naive is because you're too damn weak to earn the respect of a woman who isn't a little blank slate. Bro, get a therapist or a blow-up doll and stop pretending your fragile ego is a personality. Yikes.
Amasana amaxhego ezawu-adreswa alungiswe zintsana. Or not, amaxhego amadala abuya emitshatweni afuna utshata abantwana abanayive. Like uthini apha kum kule South Africa irongo kangaka, yena usabuya athi ndifuna utshata, I wanna get married to a small girl, a small, a young and naive. Yho, sananotha. Xhibha sholo le ndoda endala.